field of stem cell research has actually going to revolutionize medicine as we know it. Much like the laser technology and antibiotics did in the past, stem cells are going to revolutionize how we treat patients. In the beginning, we were using the adult stem cell technology for burns and ulcers and wound healing. Basically, any type of skin that needs to be regenerated because either there was an ulcer or burn. What we were using these new technologies to help rejuvenate the tissues and to bring in the skin to close it. While we were doing these treatments, we found the skin was getting much better and it was healing. In the laboratory, we went and looked at how these cells try to heal things and how they try to come together. And we found that they're using the languages that they use. They're using chemical language to get together. And the chemical language is what we've taken and put into Luminesce. And the product that we have is purely the chemical language without the cells themselves. Topical creams such as moisturizers, sunblocks, and soaps, they generally just work on the outside of the skin. They try to restore the moisture in the skin, but they don't really go down into the cellular level. Here with Luminesce, we're not really trying to just moisturize or cover the skin. We're going down using the language that the cells use to talk to one another to get the cells to do our work for us, to tell the cells not to break down collagen, not to break down elastin, to build up the collagen, to build up the elastin, to bring new blood vessels, to take away the inflammation. And that can only be done at a cellular level. Cutting edge cosmetic surgery without the cutting. Luminesce is very unique in that once you put it on, not only you see improvement, everybody else who looks at you sees it and comments that you look good. That's because the Luminesce product technology delivers the language of the stem cells to renew the skin. So it tones the skin, it reduces the pores, it tightens up the skin, it reduces the redness of the skin, and basically gives you an overall glow. And the skin looks much more youthful and vibrant. If you use it for about 2 or 3 months, you will start to notice the difference. The product can be used on at any age. The younger you are to use something, you're more likely you are to prevent damage. Because what the cytokines and the interleukins and the chemical language that's in Luminesce, what it does, it prevents the breakdown of tissues. If you wait till you have all the wrinkles and you have all of the sun damage, now you have to reverse a lot of the sun damage and reverse a lot of this aging process. And it's a lot harder to reverse something than to maintain something. So if you are starting to just see the signs of aging and you use it, you're going to get much better effect than if you have a lot of sun damage and you start to use it. You will get improvement, but you'll still have the damage that's done that has to be undone over the years. Luminesce is that we're able to deliver to people the closest thing to the fountain of youth.